Ooh, and then Oscar trades. Mark out the 10 p.m. close. It's looking like we're gonna continue. Looks like we're gonna continue Asia and continue to buy up. Just take Asia sell stops. We already took past day low. See what we do. I think it's gonna be a continuation. If it's a continuation right here, I don't want to take this. I mean, you can look for it if you like. That's not me right there. It definitely happened. I had to black it out so I could sign in real quick. From there, from there right here. Two, pick, could it. This is not somewhere I would like to buy, at least not right now. I would like to wait for it to come in here. We have this 1 hour devil mark that we can cut, that we can reverse to sweep, as we see right here. Let's see. This can potentially be a 90 cycle SMT. 90 cycle. Here we have these daily cycles. Right, these microcycles. That's what we got going on. A little microcycle. They sell off to this devil mark, and that would get us. Let's see. Sell off to the devil mark. I like how we have equal highs. I would like to see that get swept. Or that could just be a nanocycle SMT. That could definitely happen right there. I wouldn't mind trying. This already looks pretty bullish. Let's see the 15 minute. See on the 15 minute, this fat ass fall right here. It's trying to range up here. That would be a buy side. So that would be a buy side. Change the state of delivery, but right now it's pushing up here within the 5 minute. So like I'm saying, you can take that right there. That would be a nice sell to the 1 hour double mark. I think I'm gonna try it. See it. Try it out. Fuck it. But like I said, we had these equal highs right here. We can't take these equal highs out and then do it, especially with this impulse right here. Losing is part of the plan though, so we seen something, we executed on it, it stops at the high, can't be mad at it. It works or it doesn't. Manipulated above 10 p.m. close, and we created a 3 draw pattern right here. 1, 2, 3 draws. So even with these equal highs right here, I wouldn't mind seeing it. Wouldn't mind seeing it fall. I mean, wouldn't mind seeing it collapse, and it's leaving this 1 minute double mark right here too. We got a lot of liquidity to the downside, plus this 1 hour double mark, but it doesn't have to get that. I mean, it was already pushing up high, so don't be too surprised if it just continues to buy up. Watch on the 5 minute, 27 ticks. It's half our risk. No proper ABS sweep, so don't be too surprised. This is a lower probability sell. I just like the liquidity that we had to the downside. It's like relatively equal lows right here. I mean, this right here, but let's see, in the 15 minute, there's no fair value gap though. Flip this right here. There's no real PDA right that would have flipped this right here. So this sell is lower probability. I'm just taking it because like how we ranged up right here. This is not even really a 90 cycle, so I'm gonna delete that right now. Just wanna wait on your SSMTs. Trying to see if we repeat a little bit of yesterday. That's what I was trying to see. See this right here. These are equal. It's a double mark up here plus equal highs. Can continue to buy. I don't like the buys, but can continue. It's on 5 minute. Halfway into the 5 minute. If we don't sell off right here, then it's gonna take us out. Cycle, like right here. They kind of pushed it for a 90 cycle. Let's see. Nah, you can set us a 90 cycle right there. So here, shut over. 10 p.m. close. We want it more at 10 p.m. close, you know. So we're 10 p.m. close back. Related below the 10 p.m. close, and it's looking like we're going to take out these equal highs before we do anything. Losing is part of the plan. Losing just means following the plan. Losing is just that. Don't be scared to take the loss. Execution for anything. This is a 1 hour PRC, and as we see, we SMT filled that. Both both ES and NQ stayed above the equilibrium, but as you can see over here, YM is struggling. It manipulated below here twice, 3 times. So we don't know what's going to go on with that. Maybe a 12 a.m. reversal possibly. We take this loss right here. We're gonna wait till 12, 11:30, 12 a.m. and we'll take another entry. Not Gucci. 1 to 2 trades a day. So you need. So I'm taking. That's all you should be taking. See if that work, man. If it do sell off, kind of an ugly sell, but I like how we had this pattern right here. Got something like this. So, that's what I would like to see. You know, it's just not the clearest. See, going for that good 1 to 5. Can we get it? We won't trail our stop loss until we get a 1 to 1. We'll trail it break even. So, want to hit at least a 1 for 3, but locking your profits as you get it. Don't be addicted for a tick. 3 right there. 3 right at the Asian price, at the Asian sell stops. That makes the most sense to me. I don't know. Let me get this ugly shit out the way. And while this plays, I'm gonna look for some tunes to put on, some little type shit put in the background. I guess so better shit than that. Alright. That's a little bit better. See what we do. So we swept this double mark right here. 5 minute wicked away from that. And it can't just continue to buy up, but that's not what I would like to see. I like how we have this liquidity right here, liquidity, all that liquidity and shit. Let me make sure the music is down. I bet if that's a little loud for you. See how that's doing. All right, we got the 5 minute CISD. We looking good. We looking Gucci right here. 5 minute CISD. Yeah, we looking Gucci. Now this can just be manipulation to continue to buy us up. So don't be too surprised if we reverse. I will be trailing my stop to break even once we get trailing my stop to break even once we get around this fair value gap, this devil mark. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get it. We don't have to though. See how this 5 minute decides to close. If we get an official 5 minute CISD or if it's just bullshitting. I would just wait though. While we wait on that, I'm gonna sit back and journal. Main bias setup for today. My main bias setup for today is I'm journaling right here. Journaling. I didn't even look up. See that we were down some ticks, but to be honest, we already swept the past day. We already swept the past day low. So this thing right here can just we already swept the past day low, so this thing can continue to buy up and go take these Asia buy stops. I wouldn't be too surprised if we did that. We have all this liquidity right here. We just open fair value gap and all these relatively equal highs. I wouldn't be too surprised if I'm gonna trail. Yeah, I'm gonna trail my stop up to this right here. If we take this out, that's not my play. We minimize our risk. Can't be mad at it. Like I said, we have these equal highs right here. We have all that equal shit up there, and then we have this fat ass wick sitting right here. After we already swept past day low, so don't be too surprised. But we're looking to see if we can continue the sales, or we're looking to see if we're gonna reverse. Realistically, though, we might not do it. Let's see if we get this official 5-minute CISD. Right now, we wicked it, and then we didn't get a body close, so this could not work. I mean, there could be a potential that this doesn't work. We'll see though. I'm gonna continue the journal. Non-negotiables. My non-negotiables today is taking 1 to 2 trades and walking away. What emotions do I feel right now? Right now, I feel cool, calm, ready, prepared. What past habit / pattern do I want to avoid today? To be honest, I want to avoid flipping my bias. I want to avoid flipping bias, which would be a commitment issue. And I also would like to avoid revenge trading today, but my non-negotiable is to take 1 to 2 trades today. So regardless, I shouldn't revenge trade. How would I define a successful day / session besides profit? Today, I would define successful session besides profit is I stuck to my word and trusted price to my best win or my best loss, which is going to be either my stop loss or my TP. Because obviously, I wouldn't have made those my stop loss and TP if I didn't feel like that would have been the best exits and the best exits. Am I trading plan or reacting emotionally? Honestly, with this 90 cycle and the micro cycle sitting up there, and this 5-minute CISD about to play out, we'll see. We'll see if we close and get this 5-minute CISD. I could say that I'm playing to my plan. I don't feel very emotional right now. How am I feeling my body right now? Feel relaxed. Is this valid objectively or am I forcing? I would say it's valid objectively. Yeah, like I said, we have the 3 confluences. We could look at the VIX. I'll look at the VIX right now. See if the VIX is aligned with us. Do I need to walk away? I don't need to walk away right now. I'm actually feeling very good. We're getting a 5-minute CISD. Once we get this close, we got to close below on the last candle, but we can possibly sweep that body and then reverse and go get those equal highs. Okay. You seen how fat that displacement was? We can reverse right here in this fair value gap. It depends how we just decide to close however we treat this fair value gap right here is gonna decide whether or not we stay. Okay, if we displace to this and close, then we could argue that, you know, this is a fair trade. Am I trying to be right or am I risking? I'm risking. Am I hesitating? Nah, I'm not hesitating right now. Nah. No. Now we got our timestamps log. So it is currently 11:21. And what I like, we got 5-minute CISD after 90 cycle plus micro cycle SSMT. And manipulating above the 10 p.m. close. So that's pretty favorable. You know, we just want to see this right here. I'll make the line fat so you guys can see, or whoever, you know. We want to. Oh shit! What the fuck did I do? Middle line. We want to see this right here. We want to stay below that fat line. If we don't stay below that fat line, then we might not continue to sell off. Right now, I'm liking it. We swept that 1 hour double mark. That was the first real TP. You could have, you know, took that little shit right there. But I like how we have that 5-minute double mark down there. We might not get it though. It all depends on how we displace through this. If we can't respect the equilibrium, if we can't disrespect the equilibrium, then no, show your stops tight. Me, I'm gonna wait. Break this, I'm gonna go break even. But if we don't, sorry, I'm gonna accept my loss. One con, feel me? Feeling very feeling very cool right now. We're not tripping off too much. Hey, we're looking good here. Now, right underneath this, we have that order block, so it can get a little reaction right there. Don't be too surprised, but so far I like it. 5-minute displaced to the 5-minute fair value gap, close below equilibrium. So we like that. I might just, I'm gonna move break even. 11:25, 25. Got 5-minute CE displacement. So I moved stop Now, realistically, we could have just left our stop and accepted the risk. But right now, since we're in here with one contract, we decided to move at break even. So it's, why not? Currently up 1R, so we risk 50 ticks. We're at 70 ticks. We're a little bit over 1R. As you can see on YM is falling and it's about to take blows, but ES and NQ is lagging behind. So this can just be a retracement to continue buys, because we like this little pattern right here, but on the buy side though, it's doing this trade right here from me. So you can't be too surprised. The buy side is doing some shit like that. But we're just gonna hold. Got our stop at break even. It's halfway into this 5-minute candle and it has flipped a little bit. Let's see if we retest consequential encroachment and then continue to fall, or if we flip right here. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. You talking about shit right now. Turn off my light right now. Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh, I think I accidentally closed my trade. Damn. What happened? I think I closed. Oh no, I didn't close it. Shit glitching out right now. My shit glitching out right now. My bad, y'all. So I might have to close it and reopen. Give it a second. I'm gonna take a piss. I'll be right back. for the fact that we randomly frozen. I'm gonna have to close and read back open. So give me a second. Like, we had too much fireplace, too much. See, the VIX is looking good. Let me show you the VIX. As you can see on the market sentiment, the VIX is going towards this 15-minute devil mark, so it's looking good for sales. I like it. I like it. I like it. But we are sweeping all this, there's always that potential that it could reverse. But I like how, we fell twice, fell into this order block right here on the VIX, and then we started to sell off. So I'm fine holding my buys or my sells. I'm fine holding my position. Back, get back to the get back. I saw him position. Showing my position right now. This shit just froze again, so I might have to close it again. Possibly I had too much tabs open or something. But Bitcoin is at $110. I like that right there. Anybody buying in? Or are we waiting for it to dip a little bit more? Let me close this shit out and stop stream. I'm gonna restart stream and get it back running. Alright, one more time for a stop stream. Hold on. This is a brand new computer. What the fuck going on, bro?